Welcome to Software Safari, your ultimate destination for discovering the best software tools for your business. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to navigate the platform and find the perfect tools for your needs. First up, let's check out the main navigation. Right at the top, you'll see the tool directory, weekly picks, and monthly collections. The home page, that's where you'll spot our team's curated selections. These are tools I've personally tested and recommend. Now let's dive into browsing. If you've got a specific goal in mind, use the category grid to zero in. From AI tools to productivity, there's something for every workflow. Or just type what you're looking for into the search bar at the top. Found something interesting? Each tool shows up on a card with its name, a quick description, category, and pricing tier. Free tools are clearly marked so you never miss a bargain. Click on a card and you'll see detailed reviews, real use cases, and you can jump straight to the tool with our verified links. Looking to narrow things down? Advanced filters let you sort by category, pricing, platform, or even specific features. If you want the hottest recommendations, check out our weekly picks. These are the latest trending tools our team has discovered. Or explore monthly collections for themed sets, like tools for remote teams or creative projects. Want to get even more out of Software Safari? Subscribe to the newsletter and you'll get weekly tool recommendations right in your inbox. No more FOMO on the newest and best. You can also bookmark your favorites for easy access later. And don't forget to follow us on social media for daily tips and discoveries. All right, ready to discover your next favorite tool? Start browsing the directory now and hit subscribe for those weekly updates. Happy hunting!